Hey everybody, thanks again for tuning in right here on Hook, Line, and Singer. I'm your host and resident singing fisherman, Bob Sellers. Today is a creek fishing adventure. We've got some crappie jigs, we've got some crickets, and we're going to see what we can get on the end of our lines. As you can see, I got the man back there with me. Hey Pop. He's busy. He's busy. We're going to see what happens. Hey, stick around. Bump to this one. What you got? Another crappie. Oh, that's a giant blue one. Big old female.
That ain't good. I hate that. Oh, come on. There it is. Three.
And missing.
Me too.
Got that one. Whatever it is. Bluegill. That's a good crappie. See him try to go around that old pile. That's a nice creek crappie right there. That's what we've been after today. Mainly bluegill, but tell you what, I'd take that fish anywhere, anytime. Pretty. Bear Creek crappie. Well, that one bit like it's supposed to. Thump and held on. Another one. Big old bluegill. Pulling too hard to be a crappie. She pretty. Another good crappie. Not as good as that last one, but I'll take him. Crappie fishing is funny business. They can tear it up one minute and just quit the next. They have quit for the time being. But I still see them pop in the water over there. I know that was a gar. I saw it. It's a crappie too. A little white crappie. Pretty little fish. bluegill. I'm fixing to rip one's lip. Alright, here we go. First cast with a cricket. First cricket brim. So this is part 2 of today's creek fishing adventures. We targeted crappie the first time we were here. And now we're after, well, anything really, but mainly bluegill. Bear Creek bluegill. We doubled up. Yeah, we're doing some pond stocking today.
Yeah. They stock my belly too.
Oh, that was deep. Caught that little baby perch deep. Uh-oh. That's what's pestering us.
We're going to put him in the,
Little channel cat.
put him in the pond.
What's that?
Now that ain't no catfish. Good little man. Hopefully. Ain't good.
Oh, I had the camera going. I like him.
I like it. He pulled like he knew what he was doing.
What he's talking. Whatever that is still popping around over there. Can't believe we ain't never seen a cottonmouth over here. Knock on wood.
Come in. That's the least one I've caught all day. Not far out enough to get him.
Ooh, cool, all the way. Sorry. That one hit like it was starving to death, didn't it?
I saw that.
Well, we've got a bucket full of fish.
I know it.
No, it's a bream. Look at there. A pretty
I
one.
really well know how to get them big ones. That's my rig, fella. That's my bluegill rig.
The dock demon.
I like it. Watch how far to go.
On G.
Holy moly.
Well, that's a creek crappie right there.
Take a picture of that thing. Is that not beautiful? Oh, that's good. Now look what I got. Oh, you can eat mine.
In the bucket. Real quickly, Galatians chapter 6 and 7 says, "Be not deceived, God is not mocked. For whatsoever a man soweth, that shall he also reap. For he that soweth to his flesh shall of the flesh reap corruption, but he that soweth to the Spirit shall of the Spirit reap everlasting life. You've heard of karma? Well, karma is actually from the Hindu religion. We as Christians, we don't believe in karma, but I do believe that what goes around comes around, as my mom used to say, and how we treat other people will come back to us. We hope it comes back to us in this life and not the afterlife. But whatsoever a man soweth, that shall he also reap. Don't forget that when you're dealing with others, how you treat others will come back around to you.
Restocking the pond. Isn't that pretty? The catfish? Okay. Bet he'll make it. He hits that good fresh water. We'll stock this pond.
Oh, there.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. That's pretty. Will Noble of Preston will catch him again. Maybe 2 or 3 times.
Yeah, they all made it.
Now that's a good drink of water. Isn't that pretty? I love it.
We had a good day.
We had a good day. Yeah.
I don't know, we caught 6 or 7 crappie, something like that. Put them in our little pond, which is kind of a oversized aquarium, spring-fed aquarium, and went back with the crickets. We really tore them up, tore up the bluegill, and even caught a couple of catfish. But all in all, I'd say it was a very good day. We had great weather. It was a little bit warmer today than it's been being, but it's still nice. We got some rain supposed to be coming in tonight or tomorrow, something like that. But that's all the rain we've had this week, which is also quite welcome from the summer that we've had. We just thank the good Lord for another chance to get out, health, ability to get out and enjoy what He's made for us. And
Catching fish.
yep,
That's right.
catching fish. And as always, we appreciate you being with us today. Hey, go ahead and click the thumbs up if you like this video. I'd appreciate that. And hopefully you've subscribed to the channel. And if you do that, you'll never miss a video. You can leave me comments, all right? So God bless you. Until next time, remember, God loves you. So do I.
Yeah, and tune back in. You'll get to see Pop again, Lord willing.
So does Pop.
So does Pop.
Bye.